Today on Designing Spaces, how to ensure your elderly parents' safety. Frontdoor Live Experts Tip Series. Upping your curb appeal with a new garage door. New upholstery for your living room and beyond. Time to design.
Well, today on Designing Spaces, we are diving into a topic many of us don't think about until it's urgent, and that's parenting our parents. As our loved ones get older, we want to make sure they're safe, independent, and happy, but without waiting for a crisis. So here to share some tips on taking a proactive approach from ADT is Andrew Droney. Andrew, great to have you here.
Thanks for having me. I'm really glad to be here.
So let's start with this phrase, parenting our parents. It sounds emotional, but it really is about caring and peace of mind, isn't it?
Exactly. When you think about our parents or the ones that raised us, as they get older, we need to step in sometimes and help take care of them. And ADT and ADT Medical Alert have some products and services that do a great job of that.
Yes, they do. So we do have some technology to help with something like this, especially where our parents aren't living close by.
Exactly.
Tell us more.
So we have a couple of different products. One of them is based on staying in the home or around the home. And then we have on-the-go devices that can actually go with you out and about and send your GPS coordinates. If you need help or need a response, you press the button and you can get help sent wherever you are. We can locate you on a map and send you there. And then the other key piece to the medical alert device typically is fall detection, where the device can detect a fall without you intervening and send a signal and say, hey, this person fell, and we can start the response process.
Very important for aging people.
Exactly.
Yes, yes. So I think truly most of us are pretty familiar with monitoring devices and systems. So what should we specifically look for when we're trying to choose something for our parents?
Sure. I think one of the most important things to think about is who's on the other end of the device.
100%.
At ADT, our monitoring agents that monitor our medical alert devices are dedicated to only monitoring medical alert devices, and we specially train them in empathy and senior sensitivity, if you will.
In patience.
Patience. and being able to communicate with the seniors, and they do a fantastic job. They're not taking other alarm calls. They're typically taking the medical alert calls, and they're focused on that and focused on working with our seniors. They're also some of our most tenured agents, and they have that special training. And the way I look at it is ADT is a great monitoring and response company with our 150 years in business. Certainly on the burglar side, but the medical alert side is very similar. We receive a signal, send help where it's needed, and are able to do so very effectively and very quickly.
That is wonderful, and it really is about peace of mind, right?
Exactly. Peace of mind, not only for the person who's using the device, but also the people that are caring for them. I think frequently you may call your parents, a couple times a day to check in on them to make sure that they're okay, depending on their situation.
And they get annoyed.
Exactly. They get annoyed, and then you're dealing with more of this check-in relationship versus with a medical alert device. There's a peace of mind for that caregiver that knows, okay, mom's being cared for. If there is an emergency, I can just call and find out, how was your weekend, or what did you do today? And it relieves some of that stress and helps out with that relationship and keeping the parent more independent.
And you can just go back to being mom and dad and child.
Exactly.
Those are some awesome tips, Andrew. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Great to have you. And for more information, check out adt.com/health, or of course our website, designingspaces.tv. Thanks again, Andrew. Great job.
Appreciate it.
The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
When the power in your home goes out, here are some tips for how to heat a space without electricity. First, be sure to act quickly to keep as much heat inside the room as possible. Shut any open windows and doors. Try to prevent heat escaping by closing your blinds and curtains. It's also helpful to close off other rooms except the one where you're staying to keep the heat centralized to one area. Make sure you have a working carbon monoxide detector to be safe. Next, if you have a fireplace, get it going since they rely on natural convection. Sealed or high-efficiency fireplaces can distribute evenly heated air. Combustion heaters are great options that use propane instead of electricity, or kerosene radiant heaters are alternatives that don't use electricity or gas. Lastly, you can use water as a heating solution by creating heated steam.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert. The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
Looking for a more natural way to clean your hardwood floors? There are several natural solutions for cleaning wood floors that can be strong alternatives to harsh chemicals. For example, a plant-based soap mixed with warm water. The mix ratio should be 1 tablespoon of plant-based soap to 1 gallon of warm water. This can be used with most floor finishes except waxed. Waxed finishes should only be cleaned with a damp microfiber cloth or damp mop.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.
According to Zillow, about 76% of us would rather renovate than relocate. That's basically all of us. So everyone, listen up, because there is a renovation that doesn't break the bank, takes only days to do, and doubles its value if you sell your house. So what is this holy grail of home improvement? It's the garage door! Andy Couture from Overhead Door, welcome to Designing Spaces.
Thank you, Judith. It's so wonderful to be here.
Why should we give our garage and our garage door a little more love in terms of design, safety?
Well, in today's busy families, the access point to the home is the garage door. So not only having it energy efficient, but also having it hurricane safe and weather ready, as well as all the extra features I'm going to show you today with safety, reversing systems, and being able to have a smart home access solution. Having that smart home technology, being able to open your door from anywhere in the home, but also anywhere in the world.
Smart home access. And what about curb appeal?
Curb appeal is huge. That's the #1 return on investment today for the home when someone sells their home.
And what about the extra square footage?
Absolutely. So now if you work in your garage or you entertain in your garage, you have an energy efficient point. So whether it's cooled or heated, it keeps it comfortable all year long.
So many different reasons to use your garage for what it's worth. Okay, Andy, so once you decide you're going to get a new garage door, what is the first step?
So the first thing I look at is, are there any codes in the area that they live that they have to be in compliance with? The second thing is I understand what kind of maintenance the customer wants to do. Some customers don't mind painting a door. Some like to stain a door. We have a lot of doors, so they have a lot of options from curb appeal to look designs to fill, again, that maintenance, and then all the safety options that you can upgrade to make that door the best for their home.
And the smartest door. Overhead Door really is the leader in garage doors. It's been around for how many years at this point?
Oh, we started in 1921.
What are some of the most popular choices that people are making today in terms of design?
So as far as design, they want the look of wood without the maintenance. But look at these. You actually get
They look like wood grain.
real wood.
How long should you expect your garage door, a new garage door, to last?
So we expect a new door to last 10 to 20 years.
Okay, so for this home, what would you suggest in terms of the grain and the color? I think a nice rich dark color with some windows maybe.
I think a window pattern with impact rated windows, because we are in Florida today. But yeah, something like one of these would just, the curb appeal alone will just make the house pop.
Andy, one of the things that I am terrified of is making a final choice.
I have a tool that I say it gives you a glimpse into the future.
Show me, please.
So we have this door view, and basically I can take and upload a picture of the home, and you can actually choose one of our doors and what it's going to look like.
You're sounding like you're speaking my tune right now. And it's going to be beautiful. I can't wait to see it.
Me neither. Let's place the order today.
Okay, so we've made our choices, and now it's time to see how we're going to go from garage door drab to garage door fab. This is Steve, my contractor.
How you doing?
Good. So what are some of the reasons or some of the things that a new garage door offers that an old one just can't?
Older doors are not going to be up to the same win rating that today's doors are going to be. So it's really about safety, efficiency, quietness. A lot of these garage doors are now a belt drive, so you don't hear the old chain rattling back and forth. The door that's going in is also an insulated door.
So describe now your relationship with Overhead Door.
We have been doing business with Overhead Door for over 20 years. Overhead Door Company is an amazing company to work with, and we've been proud to do so.
All right, we'll let you guys get to it.
All right.
Thank you for the little update on the garage door, and we can't wait to see it finished.
Thank you so much.
Andy, I'm so excited. Our installation's all done. Just to remind everyone, this is how the house looked and the garage door looked before. And here's the reveal. It's beautiful.
It's amazing.
Oh my goodness. What is this door, first of all?
So this door is our Thermacore model 5745, wind load rated and impact rated. The nice thing about it too is the windows are impact rated, and just a lot of features with the smart home technology that we added into it. It has the OHD Anywhere technology to where you're allowed to let people in your home easy and safely.
Is this one of the more popular finishes?
It is. This is the bi-directional finish, and it just looks amazing.
Beautiful, beautiful. So for anyone who wants to do a beautiful garage renovation, where can they find out more about Overhead Door?
At overheaddoor.com.
And of course, you can always go to designingspaces.tv. Andy, let's open it up. What do you say?
Excited.
Today I'm going to meet my client Brad. He wants to refresh his living room, his dining area, and his patio. They have a dog and they entertain a lot. I would really like to introduce Sunbrella fabrics and selections so that they can achieve that easy to maintain, easy to clean, easy to entertain vibe that they're looking for, but also get that cozy and beautiful factor as well. Driving through the neighborhood, it's so gorgeous here.
We love it at the lake. It's a great experience for us. We definitely love to entertain, and things get dirty every once in a while.
You have a pet.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us about him.
Milton, he's a 5-year-old golden doodle, and he's very active. He's in and out all the time.
And he's allowed on the sofas.
He is.
Okay.
Is. We like the linen look, kind of the natural look, the light blues, light greens.
My thought today was to bring you some Sunbrella options.
Okay. We have Sunbrella on our boat, and so it's like the canvas like.
They've actually made a great leap into interiors, fabrics, fibers that don't feel like your typical patio furniture.
So that would be my biggest concern: is it's soft and pliable for the furniture.
So it feels good in hand.
I like that a lot. If something's this pretty and this soft, is it really going to perform well?
Why don't I show you?
All right, let's see.
I have Sunbrella fabric here.
Okay.
Non-Sunbrella fabric here. Similar look, right? We found some blackberries in the fridge.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just gonna act like you were serving a fruit salad and somebody stepped or sat on
wow.
a blackberry. Serious stain. Okay, and then I'm gonna clean it up just like you would. If you had a guest over, you'd say, oh, don't worry about it. And they'd be feeling really bad. So now I'm just gonna take dish soap and water.
Okay.
That's all I need. And literally just scrub. I'm not putting a ton of pressure. I'll do the same thing with the other. After you've done this, all you need to do is just let it air dry.
Okay.
Your guest is gonna say, oh my gosh.
Yeah, that would have been
Thank
helpful
goodness.
anytime.
In a couple hours, you won't be able to tell that there was anything on this umbrella.
I can already tell a big difference. That looks great. Let's move forward.
Awesome. I'm so excited to share with you what we have for you today. I've brought Amy with me. She's one of the design directors at Sunbrella.
Thank you.
Great to meet you.
Everything you see here is Sunbrella fabric.
I'm amazed at the color palette that you put together. This looks really great.
Awesome. I'm so excited.
For our interior fabrics, we're really focusing on constructions and components so that they have softer hands and more drapability. Part of what allows us to get such nice textures are these chunky boucle yarns that you see here. So it's very loopy and quite textural. We also have some other types of yarns like lush chenille yarns. They give more of like a sumptuous hand that's nice and soft.
We know you like the color, you like the design. Approved, right?
Approved. Last time you were here, you showed us the experiment with the blackberry. How does it work? Is it nasty chemicals that we have to be around in order to get the performance?
No, actually, the performance characteristics of Sunbrella are innate to the fiber. So we have Sunbrella color to the core technology. Our fabrics are Green Guard Gold certified and Okotex certified. Those are two certifications that guarantee that products doesn't have any nasty chemicals and are certified for indoor air quality.
Excellent. This looks great. I say we move forward and with your selection.
There's just this amazing energy that comes from seeing the work we did collaboratively come together in his home so that he can enjoy it and live exactly how we planned it.
Sarah, thank you for coming in and seeing the final product. It looks so great.
Oh my gosh, it looks phenomenal. This room looks so elegant, and a white sofa with a pet. Can you believe it? And look at him.
Milton loves his new bed.
Oh my
He
gosh,
loves his new
good job,
bed.
buddy. You're stylish. That's amazing. Everything Sunbrella, just so beautiful, and just for where you guys are here at the lake, wonderful.
Look at the curtains. They turned out great. With the wide stripe, they just turned out really, really nice. I think you pulled some fabrics into here as well.
Milton's dog bed fabric is on the back of this chair, just a little bit of trim on the side, just really bringing these rooms together. And your drapes, their performance as well. You just don't expect them to drape like this. It's so beautiful.
Absolutely. I love how you guys brought the design from inside to outside using some of the same fabrics.
It's not usual that you can do that. Your cubes, that's Milton's dog bed trim, your dining chairs, and even the throw blanket.
We've been very pleased. Thank you so much for the design.
Oh, it's been such a pleasure. We absolutely love doing it.
To learn more about Sunbrella's beautiful indoor performance fabrics, visit sunbrella.com. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.